Natural light plays a major role in how a home looks and feels, and for homeowners in Sanford, maximizing daylight can make a noticeable difference in everyday comfort. One of the most effective ways to bring more light into your home is by installing bay windows. With their unique design and multi-panel structure, bay windows do more than brighten a room, they transform the entire living space. Bay windows are designed to extend outward from the wall, typically consisting of a central fixed window flanked by two angled side panels. This structure allows sunlight to enter from multiple directions rather than just one. In Sanford, where sunny days are common, this means your home can capture more natural light throughout the day, from morning to evening. One of the biggest advantages of bay windows is how they distribute light evenly. Traditional flat windows often create bright spots near the opening while leaving other areas of the room in shadow. Bay windows, on the other hand, allow light to reach deeper into the space. The angled side panels reflect sunlight across walls and ceilings, reducing dark corners and creating a softer, more balanced illumination. This increase in natural light has a direct impact on how a room feels. Brighter spaces tend to feel larger, more open, and more inviting. In Sanford homes, where creating a comfortable and welcoming environment is important, bay windows help achieve that goal. Whether in a living room, dining area, or bedroom, the added light enhances both the functionality and the atmosphere of the space. Another benefit is the way natural light highlights interior features. Sunlight can bring out the textures and colors of flooring, furniture, and decor, making your home look more vibrant and visually appealing. Bay windows amplify this effect by allowing light to enter from different angles, creating depth and dimension within the room. Bay windows also help reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. With more sunlight filling your home, you can rely less on overhead lights and lamps. This not only creates a more natural environment but can also contribute to energy savings over time. In Sanford, where daylight is plentiful, taking advantage of natural light is both practical and efficient. The connection to the outdoors is another important aspect of bay windows. Their wide, panoramic design provides a broader view of your surroundings, bringing more of the outside environment into your home. This visual connection enhances the feeling of openness and allows you to enjoy natural scenery while still indoors. In addition to light and views, bay windows can be customized to suit your home's style. Homeowners in Sanford can choose from a variety of frame materials, finishes, and grid patterns to match their existing design. This ensures that the window not only improves lighting but also complements the overall look of the home. Energy efficiency is also an important consideration. Modern bay windows are often equipped with insulated glass and advanced coatings that help control heat transfer. This means you can enjoy increased natural light without significantly raising indoor temperatures. In Sanford's warm climate, this balance is essential for maintaining comfort. Ventilation can also be incorporated into the design. While the center panel is typically fixed, the side windows can often be opened to allow fresh air to circulate. This combination of light and airflow enhances the overall comfort of your home. Professional installation is key to maximizing these benefits. Proper placement and alignment ensure that the windows capture the most sunlight while maintaining energy efficiency and structural integrity. Experienced installers can help determine the best location for your bay windows based on your home's layout and orientation. In the end, bay windows are an excellent way to enhance natural light in Sanford homes. Their unique design allows for greater light exposure, better distribution, and a more open, inviting atmosphere. By brightening your living spaces and improving overall comfort, bay windows offer a practical and visually appealing upgrade that homeowners can enjoy every day.